Hello guys, welcome to Student Code, and in this short informative video I am going to share something about the Google Arcade program. So if you are aware, then good, and if you are not aware, then Google Arcade program is basically sponsored by Google, where you get to learn about Google Cloud technologies and everything that is related to Google Cloud, and this is basically provided in free from Google, and there are labs which you can attend and earn badges. Each badge carries a point, and after accumulation of some points you can redeem those points for the Google Cloud swags. So we will discuss more about swags and prizes later in some other video. In today's video, just I am going to tell you how to start your arcade journey and some common doubts which I am getting in my comment section and in my social media channels. So there are some price tiers where standard milestone, advanced milestone, premium and premium plus milestone. So these are the point range: 10 points for standard, 25 points for advanced, and 40 points for premium, and 60 points for premium plus. So the arcade programs continues for whole year. So there is no hurry that you have to done everything in such several and limited time. You have plenty of time, but you have to be consistent to earn these prizes and to complete the badges. So what you have to do, you have to come to the website. I am putting the website link in the description box, and you have to enter your email. I am entering my email and click on subscribe. I have already subscribed, so this is telling you have already subscribed, but if you are doing this first time, then you will be get subscribe here, and after subscription your account will be active for the Google Arcade program. Then you have to start the labs. So there are several level of labs, like level 1 lab, level 2 lab, after that level 3 lab. This is level 3, and after that this is a new arcade carnival badge which carries 2 points. So what is the point system? So basically for each badge you will get 1 point, okay? And there are some skill badges in the Google Cloud skill boost platform. So you have to complete 3 skill badges from there to get 1 arcade point. So basically every badge in the arcade program give you 1 point, except this carnival badge will give you 2 points, and else if you complete skill badges you will get 1 point for 3 skill badges, okay? Now this is a doubt that how to calculate our points, because in the last year they have given a link, they have given a section somehow here about calculating your arcade points, but this year they don't have done anything like so. So how to calculate your arcade points? So for calculating the arcade points, you will just copy this your public URL, which is your Google Cloud public URL. Copy this URL and come to this website and paste your URL here and control and calculate points. So I have total of 5.666 points. This is because I have not completed a skill badge, because 3 skill badge give you 1 arcade point, but I have completed 2 skill badges. 1 skill badge is incomplete, so I have just 5.66 point, and when I will complete that skill badge I will give total of 6 points. So how the point calculation is done? For example, I have started doing the arcade of this year, arcade 2024, from the here 23 January I got my first arcade badge in 2024. So sorry, this is my first badge in this year 2024. This is my first badge, okay. So 1 point for this badge, after that 1 point for this badge, 2 points, 1 point for this badge, 3 points, and 1 and 2 badges here. So I have total of 3 points and 0.66 points for these 2 skill badges, and after that 4 and 5 points. So these are my total 5 points from the badges, and 0.6 points for these 2 skill badges. When I will complete my third remaining skill badge, here is 1 and here is 2. When I will complete my third remaining skill badge, then I will give 1 point for skill badge. So total of 6 points I will get after completing a skill badge. So in simpler terms, you will get 1 point for arcade badge and 1 point for 3 skill badges, okay? So just you don't have to do anything, just go to arcade program, register by entering your email. After the registration you will get get a email by Google and getting some credits, because credits are required to complete labs. After that what you have to do, you have to generally just go to click on start button, and here you will see there is access code given, okay? So copy this access code, like for example here I am doing this, I am copying this access code, and clicking on this start button. Now I will come to this point. Okay, this is the interface after of the batch program. Just I will click here join this game, and here I have just enter the copied code and click on join. After when I click on join, here I will give you have successfully joined. Okay, now after that, this is the leaderboard in the arcade program, and here are the labs. So you have to just complete each lab, and there is a time given for each lab. If you have cannot complete the lab in given time, then you have to try that again. But labs are easy, the time is plenty, you can complete these labs by doing. So how a lab is going on, so when, like for example, I am opening this lab. So here in this lab you can see this is nothing, just the lab time is given, and you have to just follow along these written statements, follow along the tutorial which is given here, and complete the labs by doing this. If you want a detailed video then how to complete a lab, how to do this task, then I will create a video. Just tell me in the comment section. And for now I am just making the video for information purpose, that the arcade program is what is the arcade program, how to register, and how to calculate your points if you are doing arcade. So I am putting the link of all these resources in the description box. Check out my description, and if you want to connect with such like-minded people, then join my WhatsApp group and my community over Instagram and Telegram, where I am where I share such great resources about the technical things and Swax related things and all other tech stuff that are great to start your journey in the field of technology and in the field of getting your career shaped. Thanks for watching this video, and that's all in today's video, and I will see you in the upcoming videos, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.